certainly glad you could spend a little time with us today and do a fantastic little painting. So I tell you what, let's get started. And I thought they would do a little mountain winter scene, something. Well, let's just do it and see what happens, okay? Start off with the old 2-inch brush today. Go right into a small amount of titanium white. As I've mentioned before, these black canvases are fantastic if you want to amaze friends and relatives and etc. because they don't see you put the color on top of the black and it's transparent. And then when you come in here and you add a little bit of white, just all kinds of beautiful little things just happen. This is behind the clouds. We'll do that first. Then we'll come in and we'll drop in a happy little cloud here and there. I like these black canvases because a little bit of color shows up so strong and so beautiful. It's unreal what you can do with them. Unreal. You know, I get letters from people every day and they send me photographs of the paintings that they're doing at home. This is from people that a lot of them have never even suspected that they had any art talent. They've never had any lessons. They just watched the shows, picked up ideas, got enough confidence, grabbed the old brush, and they're doing some beautiful paintings. And you can too. You really can. Let's wash the brush.